this is Bruce Allman with Apache Village RV at Jayco's 2026 Homecoming. Standing outside the all-new 24FK. This is a 26-foot floor plan coming in right at 6,100 pounds. Let's take a look. What a great kitchen. Look at all that space you have there. Got the front kitchen with the windshield up front. Got your theater seating. Nice wide fireplace under the entertainment center there. So you do have an entry door out of the bedroom, and you got this bed on a slide now, so everything's really opened up to give you more room so you can walk all the way around the bed. Got a nice wardrobe there. That's the brand new 24FK from Jayco J Feather. Thanks for watching.